Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, happy Monday. Happy Monday, my sweet peeps. How's it going? I hope you all had a beautiful, blessed Palm Sunday. I know you saw the title of the video and you're probably thinking, wow, already? I know, right? I feel like we didn't decorate enough together. Like I didn't get to show you what I did in the kitchen. I didn't get to show you many things. I have been decorating. So trust me, there's a lot of decor that you'll get to see today that you haven't seen. Easter just came so quick, just came so quick. I mean, between me being sick and run down and not realizing how quick the time has gone by, I mean, Easter's already here. So a lot of you know that I'm getting ready to move. So we're moving in the next 3 months. Whew. I'm so overwhelmed. Let me just tell you. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see my overwhelmness is a lot. It's a lot. I gotta pare down my decor. So I didn't do my usual like a lot of seasonal decorating. Like I would have done way more if this move didn't come up. So it's a little more pared down than it usually is for me anyways, but don't worry, when I move we'll go back to normal anyways. So that's all I wanted to tell you today. I hope you enjoy the home tour. I hope you know that I wish you all a very beautiful and blessed Easter. Don't worry, I'll see you before that because I have some ideas for this week. I might not be on Wednesday, so just so you know, I probably won't be on Wednesday because I do have to travel to the US for some stuff. So I'll be gone Wednesday. And when you're watching this video, I know it's Monday. And I want to tell you guys, a lot of orders went out today. Like a huge amount of orders went out today. So if you're waiting for orders for just before Easter, they're gone, just so you know. Okay, so we got that out of the way. What else is there I need to tell you? I feel like I need to tell you stuff, but then I ramble. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna roll the clips and I'll see you at the end. Okay, let's start. Like always, Miss Mia's there to greet you guys. Now, guys, keep in mind, I did say that I did not do as much as I usually do for my Easter tour, but I want to give you a once-over look. So this is what you see when you walk in through the front door. And I think this year, even though I didn't do as much as I wanted to do, it did turn out really cute. So I want to start here at the front hallway. I added a little bunny, which I love. He's a new addition. And a lot of florals. I did a lot of florals this year to bring in Easter color. And I'm really happy with the florals this year. I think they did turn out really nice. And then over here on my front hallway table, this is probably the most simple. I just used everything I had. I really wanted to use my apothecary jars and the little birds, and I added another little floral and my sign that says, "He is risen." Now, in the dining room, that's very Easter. I started off with this centerpiece, and you guys seen me do it. They're all stuff from my shop, the big giant cutting board, and the lanterns. I love them. I love that I finally did decide to make them in white also. So we also have them in black and in white now. So I'm really happy with that. And the Easter hutch this year, oh my God, I think it's my favorite. I really do. I really think it's my favorite. I love how I did the hutch at the beginning of the year for early spring, let's say, after Christmas. And then just switching a few things over and adding all the bunnies and color, I mean, really made it pop. And I'm going to make a whole playlist on Easter stuff this year. So you can go and see that in detail, how this hutch was created. But I just love all the bunnies everywhere. And the color, just so cute. Guys, it's so easy to create decor. Oh, and there's a pillow from my girlfriend. It's so easy to create decor. You just use your imagination. Just think outside the box. Use your imagination. Grab what you have. Play with it. There is no right and there is no wrong in decor. It's what you love in your home. I love this fireplace so much this year. Oh my goodness. And you know what, guys? I'm not taking the fireplace with me. It's just too much to take with me. And I don't know what my forever house is going to be like. Is it going to have a fireplace? Is it going to have room for fireplaces? I don't know. We'll just have to see where our adventure takes us. So I am going to part with this. I can't believe I'm parting with it because it's been around for a long time. So here, let's go this way. Oh, there, I want to show you the bar cart. And then we'll go into my coffee bar because I think it's really cute. Turned out really cute. Now, many of you have seen the video where I did a full detail on the coffee bar. I showed you the new sign I made and everything. So you've already seen that. And again, I'm going to leave it in a playlist down below. In a playlist so you guys can go see that. Now, the kitchen, guys, honestly, I used to do way more in the kitchen, but it's okay. We pared it down this year. We pared it down. Giving you a once over, and let me show you some of the detail. I love decorating on top of the fridge. It is one of my favorite things to do because it just brings like a little oomph up there, and I always like to have a lamp. And someone moved my bunny. I wonder who. I guess her name is Angela. Anyways, here you can see all my cutting boards together, and I just added a little sign. And that little chick, she is so cute. Guys, behind my canisters, behind my glass canisters, I have a wax warmer. And I added this black and white egg with the black and white canisters. I thought they looked so cute. And I love the Mackenzie Child stuff. You guys know that. Now I'm starting to collect it. It's a kind of expensive collection. But that's okay. A little bit at a time. We'll get it. We'll get there eventually. This I love. I absolutely love this vignette. I love these chocolate molds. They're made to look antique. And the sign together on the little shelf. Guys, I've done this little shelf thing a few times in my kitchen. I just love it. And there's a little blooming lamp. And there you can see the shelves that we recently did. And on Sunday, I worked on this tablescape for my home tour. So you get to see it all today. But if you want a video of me showing you this in detail, I will gladly do that. You just leave me a comment down below and I'll show you all the bits and pieces, the working mechanics behind this, because I love the centerpiece and I love how it turned out. Super cute. Super cute. And those boots with the little bird, Walmart, guys, Walmart. Peeps. Isn't that adorable? It says Peeps. I just thought that was the cutest thing. Anyway, so let's move on, and I'll because there's so much more I need to show you guys, but I do think the tablescape turned out adorable. And there's the shelves. They just coordinate so nicely together. I'm telling you guys, I really thought I was going to do neutral Easter, but you know what? Easter is for color. I don't know. You need color at Easter time. Okay, let me show you this. Oh, look at this. The back of the centerpiece is a little house. It is so cute. That little house even lights up. Now, over here on this little table, this tiny table, I just used a napkin and an Easter basket, and I filled it with carrots and daisies just to make it cute. And those little bunnies, that one bunny is kissing the other bunny. It's adorable. And can you believe I didn't even change my chalkboard out? I mean, unbelievable. But this is what I'm living by. Faith is not believing what God can. It's knowing that God will. I'm telling you, if you live by that, you will see miraculous things happen. And there's Hoppy. I didn't even promote that little guy this year. Oh, and I'm sorry for the dishes in the sink, but this is real life, y'all. This is real life. Some of them are clean, and then just the ones I didn't put away yet. Here, I just added a cookie jar. That's a bunny cooking jar, and a little sign. I think it's cute. And there's the view that I get when I wash my dishes. So let's head into the family room. Okay, I remember when I bought these two bunnies and I really thought I was going to do neutral Easter. Yeah, it didn't happen. I've had these pillows for years and years and years. They're from Ross, the ones on the love seat. And you spy something different on the coffee table, keep your eye out for that because there'll be something new coming to the shop very, very soon. I love the couch. I love all the pillows, the green and white striped ones and the cream. I just think it looks so cute together. But this has got to be my absolute favorite fireplace decor I have ever done. And I think it's because of the arrangements. I'm telling you guys, I love these this year. I really, really do. They are my favorite. And these three bunnies in their bows, oh my goodness, they are just too cute. I'm so glad I got to use stuff I love. And there's another sweet little bunny pillow. Oh my goodness. His bow is navy blue and white polka dots. So that's why I kept the navy blue and white throw. And there's another sweet little bunny. I'm telling you guys, I didn't do a lot this year, but I do think it looks really cute. I'm going to give you a once over look. And I really do want to wish you a very, very, very blessed Easter. You know, guys, Easter is, yes, decor is so much fun at Easter time. But the true meaning of the season is our Savior, Jesus Christ, that was resurrected on the cross. I mean, he came to save us all, and I just think it is such an important time to celebrate that and to reflect on that and to find meaning behind that. What an amazing thing that he sacrificed himself for us. So I think it's very, very important that we, contemplate the true meaning of Easter. Anyways, here's a once over, and I hope you have a beautiful and blessed Easter with your family. Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. Have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed Easter with your friends and family. Now, some of you might know this and some of you don't. I'm Greek. And yes, we're Christian. And yes, we follow everything, the Bible and the everything. But we do Easter at a different date. Don't ask me why. When I asked my grandma, she would say it has something to do with the moons. I don't know. I know the Greek Easter, we follow the old calendar. I don't know. Greeks like to do things different. So Greek Easter, so I celebrate both. So Greek Easter is May 2nd and regular Easter is April 4th. So you'll see another Easter. I mean, I want to vlog it. I want to show you our celebration, and I want to show you some of the traditions that we do for Greek Easter because they're really nice, actually, really, really nice. So, and very different. So you get to see something different, right? Anyways, have a beautiful, beautiful Easter. Have a beautiful, beautiful week ahead. Declare, 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 declare what you want to come into your life. Oh my goodness. Watch your words. Words are so, so powerful. Watch your words. Kick that negativity out the door. Nobody's got time for any negativity. Stay positive. Always, always, always watch your self-talk. Watch your self-talk. Even me, this is something I really, really, really have to work on. That self-talk, because I am so hard on myself. So, so hard on myself. And so if you're like me, watch what you say to yourself, because we prophesize that stuff and it's not good. Anyway, so declare what you want to come into your life and kick the negativity out and have a beautiful, beautiful week ahead. Have a beautiful, holy week ahead. Stay in prayer this week. It is very, very important. Jesus died on the cross for us to save us from our sins. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. See you soon, guys. Now, I know most of you